Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Pinterest. The first thing you need to know is you can't upload videos unless you have a Pinterest business account. So that's the only reason people are able to add the videos because they have their business account. However, you can make your business account too. So let's go on profile icon. Here you can see I already have my business account. If you haven't created your business account, then I have already made a tutorial video on this. You can simply go and watch it and create your business account. After you have created your account, then go to your profile icon and then tap on create it. After that, tap on create, and now you can upload videos on Pinterest. After that, you need to select the photos or videos and you can upload videos on Pinterest. And this is how we upload videos on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.